check this thing out. It was $120, maple burl, and according to the description, it's been just sitting dry, somebody's barn, I guess, for more than 40 years. Anytime I see burl, it is stunning, and I will show you why. We'll see if we can get some kind of grain reveal on this and see what we're dealing with. Here's the part we've all been waiting for. Let's see what this grain looks like. Oh, come on, that is awesome. I have no idea what I'm gonna do with this. This was just one of those too good to pass up things.